Hello everyone, welcome to Bisap Academy online classes. Here myself Bibu Gupta for class 10 today with subject mathematics chapter 4 in NCERT book. You have to study today exercise 4.4 question number 1. How to solve question number 1? Let us see. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them also. So this is equation. You have to decide the nature of this quadratic equation's root. After deciding the nature of the roots of this equation, you will solve this equation further and find the roots if they exist. So let us find out the nature of the roots of given equation. So in solution, we have 3x square minus 4 times root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 times root 3 and c is equal to 4. Here student, you can see c is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4 times root 3 and a is equal to 3. Now find out discriminant. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. In the place of b, put minus 4 times root 3 and find its square. Minus 4 times a, value of a is 3 and c, value of c is 4 here. When you get the square of this number, you will find 4 for the 16, 16 3s are 48, minus 4 for the 16 3s are 48. Here you got 0, d is equal to 0. You got d is equal to 0, is discriminant is equal to 0, and you know that, my dear student, if d is equal to 0, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. So since d is equal to 0, hence roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. So this is the nature of roots of given quadratic equation. So you saw that roots exist here in the form of real and equal condition. So let us find the roots now by using quadratic formula. Hence, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Minus value of b is here, put minus 4 times root 3 plus minus under root b की वैल्यू है 0, 0 पुट कर दीजिए, 2 मल्टीप्लाई a की वैल्यू है 3, 3 पुट कर दीजिए, you get 4 times root 3 upon 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6 means root 3 upon 3. Dear students, root 3 upon 3 is the root of what given quadratic equation. You can write here the concluding point. Let's indicate minus root 3 upon 3 and root 3 upon 3 are the roots of given equation. So this is the solution. I completed. Dear student, let us see question number 2 in the same exercise 4.4. Find the value of k for each quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Here the equation is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. The condition given that roots of this equation are real and equal. In this given condition, you have to find value of k. So let us see how to find k. We have kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all, simplifying this equation, derive this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For this, remove the bracket and you find kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you can compare this ax with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You find that this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Student, you got a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. How? See, ax square means a is equal to k plus bx means b is equal to minus 2k plus c is equal to 6. Since the roots of given equation are real and equal, hence d will be equal to 0. D discriminant will be equal to 0 because it is given in the question that the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. So according to question, d is equal to 0. Now put the value for the d is equal to 0 means d square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Put value of b, which is minus 2k. So take square of minus 2k minus 4 multiplied. Value of a is k here. Put in the place of a k into value of c 6. Put here 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify on the left side. You find 4k square minus 4 6 24. K is equal to 0. You see that here common factor, factorize this. Factorize on the left side, we find 4k is common factor. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. You factorized on the left and got 4k into k minus 6. Dear student, if 4k is equal to 0, using zero product rule, where you follow here zero product rule, so this indicates here either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0 और k minus 6 is equal to 0. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि 4k और k minus 6 का प्रोडक्ट 0 के इक्वल है. तो कब पॉसिबल है? आइदर 4k is equal to 0 या तो 4k 0 के बराबर हो. या k माइनस 6 जीरो के बराबर हो, दोनों में से एक कोई जीरो के बराबर होगा, तभी तो जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर किसी भी नंबर में आपको रिजल्ट जीरो मिलता है। तो इसको हम जीरो प्रोडक्ट रूल के नाम से जानते हैं। मैं तो आपको रिमाइंड करा रहा हूँ, 4k minus k into k minus 6 is equal to 0 only when either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0। तो यहाँ यदि हम 4k is equal to 0 ले रहे हैं तो आपको k की वैल्यू 0 मिलेगी, और यहाँ k minus 6 is equal to 0 ले रहे हैं तो k की वैल्यू 6 मिलेगी। इस तरह से in this way you will got value of k। So if here you can write if 4k is equal to 0, this shows, or you can write then k is equal to 0. This is the first value of k. If k minus 6 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 6. This is the second value of k. Here student, in this way you got value of k is equal to 0 and also k is equal to 6। k की वैल्यू 0 भी हो सकती है, k की वैल्यू 6 भी हो सकती है। That's it in this video. We will meet again in the next one. Thank you for that.